Enter the breathtaking, intricate world of Islamic calligraphy, an art form deeply rooted in faith and history. More than just beautiful writing, it serves as a profound visual expression of spiritual devotion and cultural identity. Watch closely as the artist carefully dips the reed pen, preparing the instrument for precise execution. Discover the diversity of scripts, each possessing its own unique rhythm and distinctive character on the page. Notice the bold, geometric angles of the ancient Kufic script, showcasing early monumental writing styles. Then observe the flowing elegance of Thuluth, characterized by its sweeping curves and dramatic proportions. Achieving this level of mastery requires years of disciplined practice, intense focus, and unwavering dedication. Every single stroke, every measured space, carries intention and contributes to the overall harmony of the piece. Historically, calligraphy was central to architecture, manuscript illumination, and the decoration of sacred spaces. This ancient tradition continues to thrive today, bridging the gap between the past and contemporary artistic expression. Experience the enduring legacy of this exquisite art that continues to inspire awe and contemplation across the globe.